Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. How are you all doing today? Welcome to a mini pick a card reading today, and we are looking into the question. Drum roll, please. Okay. How do they feel about you? So this could be the person on your mind. We're looking into their feelings, okay? How do they feel for you, okay? So let's get into it, okay? One guarantee, T-Sippers, one guarantee, T-Sippers, one guarantee. Welcome to Super. Yeah. So we have pile one, pile two, and pile three on these mini picker card. We're just gonna have a look and see what messages you really want to come through. Okay, so we have pile one, pile two, pile three. Go to that number that's calling you, and if you got some tea while you are gathering these intuitive, juicy gems, okay, more the merrier. Get that tea sipping so you can gather those juicy gems. All right. So let's bring in some good energy before we begin. Okay. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their intuition and their discernment, so they can use their discernment every time. Thank you. So we got pile one, pile two, pile three. Okay, go to that number that's calling you. Okay, see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan G-Sippers, Wagwan Generals. So we are looking at pile one and seeing what messages want to come through on how do they feel about you. So if you haven't already subscribed, come on in. What you waiting for? What you waiting for, honey? Darling, all right? Okay, right, let's get into it. Let's see Wagwan. How do they feel about you? How do they feel about you? We have, you are the reason I want to become a better person. You are the reason I want to become a better person. Okay, so we're going to have a look and see why this message is coming up for pile one. Okay, let's have a look at the tarot. Okay, so for the collective who chose pile one, we have the message here. You're the reason I want to become a better person. You are the reason. Yes, you are the reason I want to become a better person. Let's have a look and see why they want to share this with you right now. Okay. Ooh, wee. Look at that. We have the 10 of Pentacles. So this person has a vision. This person has a plan. This person has direction. This person is motivated. They have this, I feel like there's a strong honor, a strong energy of honor, wanting to come forward, wanting to do what they need to do. Okay, the song that's coming through, okay, is a reggae song by the artist Sanchez. I'm rearranging my life for you. Okay, it goes something like this: the things I used to do, I do them no more, baby. Girl, I rearranged my life. I'm rearranging my life. Okay, they're this is where they are. This is where they want to be. Now to get to the 10 of Pentacles, okay, let's break the 10 of Pentacles down a bit. The 10 of Pentacles is this energy of generational wealth. It's growth, building, okay, building a legacy, okay, building it where it's a legacy around family, around wealth. This person wants to do this, but this person recognizes they need to step up. They need to step up to the plate, okay, and get serious. Another song that's coming through. Okay, we do like to channel a lot of songs. Okay, the song one of my favorite songs of all time. Okay, is a song by Shabba Ranks and Ninja Man, and the song is and Admiral Tibet. Got a big up, big up, big up every time. The song is it's times are getting serious. Times are getting serious. Okay. Now this is what this person is going through. Times are getting serious. So they're having to they recognize they've got to make that change. They've got to take that leap of faith to come forward and say, you know what, this is why I want to do this, because I see a future with you, and I see this future with you. I feel like they see it, and so they know that they have to take that time to step up to the plate. Okay, step up to the plate. Let's have a look at a Jamaican proverb. Okay. Okay, can we have a Jamaican proverb for the collective who chose file one? How do they feel about you? How do they feel about you? How do they feel about you? How do they feel? Ooh, we have we have three. So let's just read the three. Okay, we have be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. Be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. Okay? Be ready with your hat, but slow with your money. So this is the energy of like watching your money transactions, not being scammed, taking your time to do due diligence, okay? And I feel like this is a strong energy about money, taking the time to, even if it's like this attitude of not being like reckless, careless, again, this energy of time to get serious. They recognize and they got to get serious, rearrange their life, okay? Watching their transactions. If they want to get to the 10 of Pentacles, then there has to be a level of energy of saying, right, I'm going to start saving, I'm going to invest, I'm going to put this money aside. Let's say it could be how much let's say a coffee a day. They're going to put that amount of coffee that it costs for a coffee a day and put it to one side and let it grow for a year and see how it unfolds. And I feel like this is what this person is like recognizing. Yeah, I've got to think on deeper and deeper levels. And we're gonna call you Jane. Okay, we like to call the collective Jane around here, and the person in your mind, John. I feel like John is coming to this. Um, they're coming to this kind of like mindset of realizing, yeah, this is where I want to be. This is where I want to be. So what do I need to do to get where I want to be? I need to take that time to get serious, rearrange my life so that I can make those steps to come closer and closer to you. Okay? Look at all of these pentacles that represents all of the wealth that has been built up between the two parties. Okay? And we have here, when trouble take you, pitney shirt fit you. When trouble take you, pitney shirt fit you. This is all about, if there is trouble, if there's some adversity, you're going to figure out a way to get out of it. You'll figure out a master plan to get out of it. And pitney is referring to a child. So let's say trouble comes your way and you have no choice but to get into a child's shirt. Okay, for example, you're gonna find a way of how to get into that shirt. Okay, so it's all about challenging difficult situations, learning to adapt, getting yourself out of a situation, thinking outside of the box, thinking outside the box. And I feel like this is why those two songs were coming through, of having to rearrange my life. I've got to think myself out of how to do this. Times are getting serious. Okay. And we have here, today for me, tomorrow for you. Today for me, tomorrow for you. Life has ups and downs, cycles, but use the time to show gratitude, be thankful, okay? And I feel like this is a strong energy of, if you are currently, if like, I feel like if for those of you who are currently in a separation, or this could be someone from your recent past or a current, someone who's still in your energy, I feel like there's an energy of still being thankful, having knowing you, because it's kind of triggered this energy of knowing that, look, I deserve more, and I need to believe in myself, and I need to take action. I need to do all these things, okay? But I feel like there is a strong energy of love here. So we're going to have a look at a romantic oracle, okay? Let's have a look. Let's see what they want to tell you, okay? Can we have a message from the romantic oracle, please? How do you feel? How do they feel about you? How do they feel? Okay, so for the collective, we chose Power 1. Reveal the message. Ooh, we got, ooh, this is the message that wants to come through. We had a few, but this is the strong energy I'm getting here. It's, yes, this is a soulmate. It's a soulmate here. It's a soulmate popping through. Okay. Okay. Gather those juicy, intuitive gems. Right, so before we close the read, okay? Before we close the read, hoping that you can see all these messages. Yes, you can see all these messages, these juicy messages, okay? Just pushing things a bit so you can see these all these messages. Okay, right, yeah, you can see all them. Good. So we're going to just pull out a traveling intuitive gem message. So reveal to the collective a message of how do they feel about you. Look at this. This is the 10 of Pentacles energy right here. This is the 10 of Pentacles energy right here. They are visualizing, they are picturing, they're hoping that one day they can be living with you. They can be living with you, you know, being in partnership with you, doing things together. Look at this. Look at this is like the image of a bathroom, having their items there, and maybe having their own little compartment next to yours. This is what they're hoping, okay? And they know that they need to take that time to just make those steps, okay? Being wise, rearranging their life so that they can allow this to flow, allow this to come towards them, allow you to come towards them, so that when they are able to make this serious offer, they can make this serious offer confidently, okay? So take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Leave the rest. I say it, God. This simply means in Jamaican patois, this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we are on pile 2 and we are exploring the question, how do they feel about you? So if you haven't already, like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Alright, let's get into it and see Wagwan, okay, what's going on? Okay, so how do they feel about you? You are the one I want to come home to. You are the one I want to come home to. Okay, now this could be the person in your mind, okay, but we're looking into their current feelings, okay, and this is how they feel. This is how they feel. They feel this comfort, this energy, okay, of feeling safe, feeling connected, and this is where they want to be. Okay, song that's coming through is Donald Jones. It's where I want to be. Where I want to be. Okay, there is a strong energy. I want to be here. This is where I want to be. Okay, let's call you Jane, and we'll call the person in your mind John. John wants to be with you, Jane. They want to be at a place where they are at ease and at comfort with you. Okay, so let's have a look at a tarot message for how do they feel about you. So for the collective who chose pile 2, reveal the message that you need to see right now. How do they feel about you? Okay, we have you're the one I want to come to. We have the chariot. So you know what the chariot means? The chariot is all about willpower. It's all about determination. Look at all that yellow. It's like really bringing the solar plexus, okay? The solar plexus of the chakra, okay? Located in this area. This is like a strong energy of confidence, self-esteem, okay? Motivation. They have this drive, this passion of wanting to come to you, wanting to come towards you, telling you how they truly feel, how they truly desire. Okay, I'm getting this energy of nothing can stop them. They're really about coming to you. Okay, and I feel like if this could be anyone, but if this is an ex, I feel like this person is really wanting to work on themselves, take that time even to build trust and show that they're worthy. I feel like there's a strong energy here, but there's a strong energy of really wanting to come towards you and tell you how they feel. And also I see with the black and white here being very honest, being very transparent about their intentions towards you. Okay. So let's have a look at a Jamaican proverb and see what message wants to come through for the collective who chose pile 2. How do they feel about you? How do they feel? Can we have a message, please? How do they feel about you? Okay, thank you. We have member say. Member say the wall of ears, Member say the wall of ears. Okay, this just means, so just remember, okay, that the wall do have ears. Now I feel like this is I'm getting a very cheeky message here. Okay, so if you know, you know. Okay, be careful who is listening. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Okay. And on that note, we're just gonna have a look. But I feel like there's a strong energy of coming towards you. It's a strong energy of determination. Determination, okay, of wanting to come towards you. So I'm gonna quickly have a look at these ooh la la cards, okay, because we have this energy here, okay, with this I want to be around you, close to you, okay. And we can we can feel that there's a lot of sexual energy coming through. So we're just gonna have a quick look at the ooh la la. Ooh la la. So, how do they feel about you? How do they feel about you? For the collective, we chose pile 2. Ooh, we have the stud, the super stud. Yes. So they're coming towards you. This energy of super stud, super stud, super stud. Okay. All right. So let's have a look now at some messages, okay, from the romantic oracle, angel oracle. Okay, if we can have even just one message, okay, or whatever wants to come out, reveal the messages the collective who chose pile 2 need to see right now about how do they feel about you. How do they feel about you? Okay, how do they feel about you? How do they feel about you? Woo, woo, woo. Look at that energy. We have extend your light-hearted energy to others. So this is an energy of wanting to come towards you, wanting to wine and dine you, wanting to be that super stud, okay? And I feel like it's the intention as well is they may come across with it in a playful, flirtatious manner to kind of get you hot and bothered. But I feel like the true intention is really is to connect with you on a emotional, physical, intimate level. Okay, really connecting with you as well as social. So it's like getting all of those elements together: the physical, the emotional, the intellectual, the we say emotional, and yes, all of those. Okay. Ooh wee. Ooh la la. Okay. So last but not least, we're going to end this read, okay, with a message from the traveling intuitive messages, okay, on to what do you need to see what are right now in regards to how do they feel about you? How do they feel about you? Let's have a look. How do they feel? Look at this. So I see this image here. It's like this is what they want to be doing. They want to enjoy these moments with you, going out, trying new things, exploring culture, exploring like trying new things. Whether it's like visiting new places or trying new foods. Okay, I feel like they just want to embrace things and just like having you as like a partner. The strong energy I'm getting is just overall just a partner wanting to come towards you with the chariot, okay? And the chariot representing that willpower and determination, that motivational energy, wanting to come towards you, okay? No games, just really wanting to kind of just share and be honest that you are this person that they want to enjoy these moments with, okay? And I feel like this person could may have also been like visualizing, daydreaming, um, trying to like speak it in existence, okay? But really having this desire of really wanting to come home to you and only you, okay? And be that Superman, okay? That Superman in your life. That Superman. Okay, that's the strong energy I'm getting here. So, for the collective who chose Pile 2, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take the messages that resonate and leave with the same with power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. I saw it go. It's Jamaican Pat 1. It simply means this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan regenerals. So we have Pile 3 and we are exploring the question, how do they feel about you? Okay, so if you haven't already, come and join the Love and Light family. Like and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Let's see Wagwan. What is going on? Okay, so how do they feel about you? I still hold on to the letters, messages you wrote. So this person, okay, I feel like it could be the person in your mind. It could be someone from your recent past, maybe from a separation, a crush. This could be anyone, but they still hold on to these messages. They still hold on to those dear, loving messages. Okay, and I feel like it could be even light-hearted or anything like that. This person could even have a crush, and they haven't shared the crush or those feelings, okay? And we're just kind of really bringing those feelings out right now, okay? So let's have a look at the tarot, okay? Let's have a look and see what the tarot wants to tell you right now. So for the collective who chose Pile 3, reveal the messages the collective need to know right now on how do they feel about you. Yes, you darling. Yes, you and only you. Hey. Ooh, we already got a message. Ooh, wee. Now this came out for Pile 1. This came out for Pile 1. Ten of Pentacles, they still hold on. Now, the Ten of Pentacles is all about building a wealth for yourself, a legacy, family wealth. I feel like the messages, the letters, is like their way of holding on to this wealth, the wealth of having you, or know, or in a like maybe in a period in their life, or knowing you. I feel like they still hold on, hoping that maybe one day, in maybe a next lifetime, that you will come back in their arms. This is a strong message that I'm getting. Okay, I feel like it could also be like a it gives them a piece of comfort. They're hoping that one day things will work out, and it's on the energy of the power of three, and three is all about growth. Okay, and I feel like there's a strong energy of hoping that this can grow. They could be even trying to, like, it could be just this energy of really hoping, and hope, with that hope, hoping that it will manifest and come into fruition, that the two of you will be together, the two of you will be talking, communicating back on good terms. And I feel like it could be even this energy of starting anew. But I feel like with the Ten of Pentacles being here, this person has good intentions of wanting things to work out. And I feel like there's a message that's coming through. Perhaps for some of you, you were quite young, um, and now it's like, let's say give it 10, or I'm getting a message, I'm getting, give it 10, or 10 to, I'm getting 10 to 12 to 15 years. Now it's like this person may want to return, come back, um, more reformed, more developed, more growth has taken place, and they'll share their feelings, share their deepest inner feelings. And the message that I'm getting is like, even if there's been other people, um, maybe during different milestones, it always came back to you. It always came back to you. This is the message that I'm getting. Okay, or it always comes back to you. So let's have a look now at a Jamaican proverb and see what message wants to come through for the collective who chose pile 3. How do they feel about you? Okay, reveal the message, the Jamaican proverb the collective need to see right now. Reveal the message they need to see. Look at this. So this person could have been a friend. We've got value, good friendships. Good friend. A good friend is better than pocket money. A good friend is better. Now this is saying, go back to the Ten of Pentacles, because we had a message here. It's like, you are a gem. You are a wealth. You are a piece of wealth. You are a diamond. Okay? And this person's like, they've held on to these messages, because your presence, your energy is worth more than gold. Okay, so a good friend is better than pocket money. And I feel like there's a strong energy of really valuing you, valuing the friendship. Now this person that may have these strong feelings could have also been could be a friend, and may have these feelings, but then didn't know how to um kind of tap into, right, I want to tell you this is how I feel. Or it could have been like building a real a relationship where it's kind of where it started off as friends. Okay, and it could also be someone who just has a real strong crush, still like, they still crush. Okay, they still crush. Okay, really, they do, like, just have a strong crushes for you, and these deep inner feelings. Okay, but seeing the Ten of Pentacles here, it's like, I, I keep getting just my imagination. Okay, it's like the strong message, and that's by the Temptations, by the way. Okay, is this energy of hoping, yearning that they can have this. like picturing it. Okay, the lyrics keep coming through. Soon we'll be married with a family. Soon we'll be married with a family. Like this is what they are hoping. Again, the energy of free. Okay, it's all about of expansion. Okay, think of the Empress, the energy of free. They are really hoping that it can grow. It can grow on fertile grounds with you. Okay, and I feel like it could be even just trying to maybe start like lightly with a message or just finding out how you are, what you're up to, if you would like to meet up for coffee maybe one day and um just spend some time together. I feel like there's a strong energy of just wanting to spend time, and then from spending time that feeling more at ease to then just say how I feel, say how to say how they feel. Okay, that's what I feel like. This John, we're gonna call him this person John. John wants to tell you how they truly feel about you. Okay, let's have a look at a message from the romantic Angels Oracle deck now, and have a look and see what messages are there for the collective who chose pile 3. Reveal the messages for the collective to see right now. Okay, how do they feel about you? How do they feel? We're looking into their current feelings. Okay, how do they feel? Thank you. We have honeymoon. Honeymoon. They want to enjoy the bliss with you. Okay, enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. This is what they want to do. Okay. Okay. And another song is coming through. I can't remember the original artist. But it's by we like reggae around here. Okay, we called Wagwan Tarot Tea. But it's Lloyd Brown, and it's Would You Mind Sharing the Night Together? Yeah. Would you mind sharing the night together? So they want to enjoy the bliss. They want to enjoy the night. Okay. They want to spend quality time. I keep getting the energy of I want to spend I would love to spend quality time with you and only you. And it feels already, it's like this energy is feel it feels so like uplifting energy, but very romantic as well. Look at the imagery. It's very romantic. They would love to have these moments with you and only you. I keep getting the energy of you and only you. Okay, you and only you. Another song's really coming through. Um, I can't remember the name of the song or the artist. If you do, put it down in the comments down below. It goes, only you can make this world seem right. Only you can make this world seem right. Okay? And I feel like it's also the imagery they could be visualizing, manifesting, having these kind of moments, romantic moments where the two of you are together. Okay, um, spending quality time with one another. Okay, because I feel like there's a message in wanting to spend quality time. I feel like there's a strong energy of wanting to provide, to give you an offer, to give I feel like it's a serious offer, and we see honeymoon here. I feel like this is the energy that you want to do, but wanting to have those moments and see where the energy takes you both. Okay, ooh la la. So we are going to end the read with a travel intuitive message. Okay, so for the collective, we chose pile 3. Okay, reveal the message that they need to see right now on how this person feels about them. How do they feel about you? Okay, let's have a little shuffle. Little shuffle. Ooh wee! We have 2. Look at that. We have quite a few that has popped up, but we're gonna just read this one. Look at this. Look at this. I feel like this person is like they're looking back, looking at things, that we've got the time here, and just hoping things will work in your favor, where you can do so many things. Okay. But you know what? Let's have a look at, I've pulled out the cards that came through. I feel like this person is like, there's an energy of cleaning any kind of stuff that they no longer need, rearranging themselves, aligning themselves for the Ten of Pentacles, okay? In order to get to the Ten of Pentacles, you gotta be brushing out some dust. You gotta be getting rid of some things that you're not serving you, okay? Because it's all about becoming disciplined. This is an energy of also discipline, okay? Because look here, they want to travel the world. They want to be, you know, travel the world, explore the world with you, okay? I feel like this is strong. This is what they want to do. Have those moments, spending quality moments, picturesque moments, moments where you can look back and be like, oh, do you remember when we did this together? Oh, yeah, I remember that. Okay? Because look what we have here. We have tickets, spending quality time with one another. And I feel like it could be like even family time, um, like spending time with family, spending time, like just doing intimate, loving, recreational, fun things together. But I feel like there's a strong energy of really wanting to do all these things with you, okay? Hence holding on to these messages that you wrote. So we're going to leave it here. But take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Okay? Leave. You have to say it with power. Leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Part 1. It simply means this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.